Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you are new here, I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And today we're talking the iOS 14 update. So, when did this update come out? Like a few weeks ago. And I remember I didn't even know the update came out, and we had Dylan's sisters over for dinner, and his younger sister was like, "Have you gotten the new update?" And we were all like, "What?" And she showed us how you can like add the widgets and stuff, but then she showed us, shout out to Lily, she's the one who showed us this. She showed us on TikTok how people were making it all like aesthetic and cool, and I was like, what? And at first I was like, I'm not gonna take the time to do this, like that's like whatever, I don't really care. And then I got bored and I got sucked in, and it literally probably took me in total, like over the course of completely redoing my phone, probably like 5 hours. Like, I'm not exaggerating. This is a commitment. If you're gonna do this to your phone, you need to commit right now that you're going to do it. I did it over the course of like 3 days, I think. One was like a 2-hour or hour and a half situation before we were waiting for like an 8:20 football game to come on. And I just was like, I'll do it now because I have nothing else to do. So I guess first I will just put in like a screen recording of what my phone looks like, but I can also show you right here, like this is what my home screen is. And so I need to screen record. Hi. So this is my home screen right now. I have this little quote widget that changes every like hour or something. I don't really know, but that one, so these are all my screens as you just saw. So this is the motivation one, and then I just created a widget, I think. So they have different categories, but a lot of them you have to pay for. So I think I just did the general one and just added it. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. This is not a good time. So I did the motivation one. You also need to download Widgetsmith. So those are the two apps that I would download right now if you want to create an aesthetic. And then so from there I went on to Google and I just searched gray. And I went to images and just like screenshot a bunch of different shades of gray. I don't remember which ones exactly I did. And then I also put in pink. And then I would just take the pinks, screenshot them, and kind of create like the aesthetic I wanted. I'm just like a very gray pink type person, so that's what I picked. You could pick blues, you could pick purples, you could pick a different color for each screen. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you want to do. So that's what I did to start. So Widgetsmith, motivation, is that what it's called? Motivation. Choose an aesthetic. Then you need to choose a background. I didn't change my background. My background just happened to be these white pumpkins, and it just kind of went with it. But you can choose a background that you want. And then from there, what I did is I put all the apps I wanted per page. Like I decided my home screen is going to be like for messages, reminders, email, photos, like all like the normal home screen stuff. So I put them all there, and I just went by page. Like then I wanted the next page to be the calendar and my social medias. My next page is like money stuff. It's like Venmo, my bank accounts, Southwest, Dunkin', Starbucks, stuff like that. Then I have kind of like my health apps. I have a sleep fan, Planet Fitness, a period tracking app, and the like Apple Health app. Then I have just like my steps per day, and then just like a picture, know your worth. We're gonna get into it, so don't worry. And then my last page is just like photo editing and like work stuff. So, and then what I did is I moved all my apps, I guess there's a way you can delete them from like this, like seeing it, but I didn't know that, so I just put them all in categories on the last page. But you can also have like this library, app library. I don't really get it. Okay, so how you get your phone to look like this. Here's the DIY, here's the how-to, here's what you need to know. So what you do is you go into shortcuts. It's an Apple app. It should be on your phone already. You open up shortcuts. This is what mine looks like. It's chaotic because I have so many. So you're gonna want to hit the plus button in the upper right. You pick add action. You type in open app and select that. Then you're gonna choose the app that you want. So let's just say messages. So you type it in, search it, messages. From here, you hit the 3 dots in the upper right corner. You can name it, so I can name it messages. And then you don't click done. You click add to home screen. Sometimes for some reason it doesn't copy the name. I don't know why. It's just like another annoying step. You click the picture. You do not click the picture before this. You click the picture now. Choose photo. Oh, you're gonna open up your pink. Make it so, I don't know why I'm showing you because it's screen recording. Make it so it's just the pink. Choose add, go to your home screen, there it is. Boom, boom. And then you can move them around how you want. So like I have all of mine organized. And then so you just keep doing that for every single app that you want. I don't have every single app I have on my phone doesn't have a shortcut because that was just like too much, and I actually ended up deleting a lot of apps. And I just like all the games and stuff, like I just put into a folder and put it on the last page because I don't use those very often unless I'm like flying on a plane. So that's how you do all the shortcuts and get the cute little little squares. If you want to do like, so for my social medias, I literally just Googled Facebook icon pink or something, and I would just do that, or let's do this one. Do that, screenshot it, same thing. You open up shortcuts, add, open app, choose app, Facebook, 3 dots, add to home screen, change the name to Facebook, choose photo, choose your little Facebook icon, add, she's on your home screen, she's right there, she's so cute. So that's how I did it. That's how I did all of my apps. I personally like it without the photos, except for my social medias. Those ones are cute. I like it without the photos. I don't go on my phone as much. I'm not like bombarded. I'm someone that like if I have that little red notification thing, I like have to open it. I have to clear it. I don't want to see it. But because all of those are on this back page, I don't even go to that page anymore. So I'm on my phone so much less because I don't have notifications like bombarding me. It takes a while to get used to because you're like, I don't know where anything is. I don't know like what anything is. I have to actually physically go and read the like description. But I like that I'm not on my phone a lot. I mean, I still am on my phone a lot, but I'm not on my phone nearly as much and like anxious on my phone. Like it's very like calming just to like have like a nice aesthetic, you know? All right, so let's get into widgets. Okay, sorry, brief intermission, my camera died. So we're back. What were we talking about? Oh, we're about to go into Widgetsmith. So, like I said, you need to download Widgetsmith. When we open it up, this is how you're gonna get those little squares, the long squares and the big squares. So these are the ones that I have. I have the time, my steps, the clock I don't think I ever used. That calendar I don't have. I have my to-do list and then like my week or like my day. It like shows you the next few hours of your day and what's on your calendar. I have a big calendar and then I have a big picture. So let's just do a small widget. So you click add small widget. So it says small widget number 4. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna click default widget. So it has time, date, calendar, custom, calendar again, I guess, reminders, and then you can pay to unlock. That is the one thing. There's no weather one I can find that's like aesthetic and cute other than the Apple one. And it's not cute. It's like bright blue. Unless that's your thing. Then there you go. You can have the weather one, but I haven't found one. Step count, and then they have the sunrise and set and moon phase. So those are cool. But let's say we want to do time. So I'll show you how I did that one. Let's do the clock because that's cool. So you click clock. You can do location if you want to change it to wherever you live, or if you want the time for another location. I don't know. You can click the style. So I want to do this one. Then you can choose which font you want. Obviously we're choosing to not have a font, so we don't need to do that. But let's do it as if we were choosing a font. So let's do that one. So then there's different fonts. I'm gonna pick this one. Tint color, you can change the color of like the actual whatever you're reading. So I'm gonna do gray. And then you can change the background color. So let's do this one just to be fun, even though that's not. Actually, we'll do this one because it goes with my theme. So once you do that, oh, and you can choose an outline. So I guess we'll do that. I haven't actually, no, I'm not going to do an outline because I haven't done an outline on any of mine. So there you go. There's your widget. You click save and it's right there. Then you go to your screen and you can just click the screen now to edit your home screen. In the top left, you click the plus button. Scroll down to Widgetsmith. You're going to click small, add widget. And then it just automatically went, but you can click on it. If it's not the one that you wanted, you click on it, click small 4, and you can change it to whichever one you want. So say I wanted that one instead. Then boom. And you can move it around. You could bring it to a different screen if you wanted. And yeah, that's how you get a widget. If you want to do a photo, because I know that one can be confusing, you go back into Widgetsmith. Let's do a big one. Add large widget, default widget. So you're gonna go to photo, and then you can choose your photo. Let's say I want this one of my coffee. So then we go back, click save. It's right there. You can add it. Scroll all the way down, Widgetsmith, add large widget. So that's the other one that I have. So I want to click on it, click large widget number 3, and boom, there's my picture. So I think that's everything of what I did to get my aesthetic. I'm gonna make sure I go in and delete these ones that I already have, that I just did as an example. I'm getting a call from the United States. It's interesting. So yeah, that's how I made my iOS 14 update home screen thing. I'm not sure if it drains your battery. I had like a few days there where like my phone wasn't charging and it would be dead by like 9 a.m. and I was like, what's going on? But I haven't had that issue since, so I'm not sure if that's correlated or not. But I love it. I think it's so cool. I think it makes everything just like more calming. You can like personalize it. Like then your phone's just more personal to you. But yeah, if you were wondering how people are getting this nice aesthetic on their phone and you didn't know how to do it, there you go. Again, it's a time commitment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope maybe if you want to change up your iOS 14 phone update, whatever, if you want to do this, please comment down below or tag me on Instagram in your how you like your new phone screen. Like take some screenshots, send them to me. I want to see them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.